Today I'm going to use the well-known ChatGPT to code us a tic-tac-toe game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I will then rate how good ChatGPT is at making simple games. So first up, the HTML code. Next, the CSS code. Lastly, the JavaScript. The code is incomplete. Let's ask ChatGPT to complete it. Now let's transfer the code into the various files on Visual Studio Code. Now that everything's copied over, let's run the code by reloading the page. It works! Cool! But here's the thing. Although the game works, but the game isn't very styled, which makes me want a styled version of Tic-Tac-Toe. From ChatGPT. So now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a complicated and stylish game of tic-tac-toe and see how it turns out. While the code is generating, let's copy the HTML and CSS code first. The code is incomplete. Let's ask ChatGPT to complete it. Now that everything's copied over, let's run the code by reloading the page. Seems like the code doesn't work, although there's some neon colors, but the game doesn't work. I tried some debugging, but it still didn't work out. Thus, I've come to a conclusion. ChatGPT can code considerably good CSS styling, but when it comes to JavaScript, some problems may arise. Do stay tuned for our next special video. Until then, subscribe.